So how to escape a 9 to 5 with a YouTube agency. This YouTube agency brought me last month, just with one deal, $20,000. And in this video, I'm completely giving everything away and explain how I could charge from one client $20,000. The whole thing I'm explaining in this video, I walked actually the talk. So I went from a 9 to 5 video job where I made $2,000 to $3,000 per month. And then I realized that the right agency can make me $10,000 per month. And I actually did it 4 or 5 months later. I realized that. So when you are in the 9 to 5 environment, like I said in the beginning, or you are a video editor, or you have any kind of creative sparkle in your life, in your mind, and you're kind of creative, then this is the right video for you to actually become free. When you're already editing videos, you position yourself just very, very, very poor. So when you are a freelance video editor, or you kind of do any kind of freelance work, you position yourself very, very poor because you don't create results for your clients. You just say, hey, I'm going to edit your videos, you're a video editor and whatsoever. But a YouTube agency is revenue driven for your client. Meaning I'm positioning myself and all of our students in Creator Scale, where we exactly teach this, how to get to $10,000 per month. We have a free guide also, first link in the description. We position ourselves as a growth partner, kind of, where we drive leads, high ticket sales with the universe YouTube towards our clients, and we manage the whole content part and also understanding the funnel part. So at the end, when the client gets 2 to 5 new clients per month, beyond that, they already have their money back, what they pay us. So we charge our clients between 2,000 and 4,000 euros per month. And sometimes we have contract signed between 3 and 6 months. So last month, I actually closed a $20,000 deal with a YouTube agency. So now I explained the YouTube agency part, you should understand how to get clients. I have another video on this channel where I explain very in depth how we get our clients with an AI system, which literally books us weekly, when not daily, calls into our calendar from potential clients, how we get them on board. And this is also everything what I'm talking here about we are teaching in Creator Scale. Obviously, we go much more in depth, and our students get results much, much, much faster because we lay down the whole process. Again, you find the video where we explain how to do this in the description, first link. But actually how we get our clients is, first of all, we pick the right niche. And when we pick the right niche, then we use an AI tool which is scraping automatically the leads and sends them automatically messages over Instagram. And then the AI or manually you book automatically a call into your calendar. When you send enough messages for this right offer with the right message, then you get enough sales calls, and then you get enough closings, and then you make $10,000 per month. It's just mathematics, input, output. And this is actually how you can escape a 9 to 5 environment or any low paying freelance job which keeps you in one place, because this job allows me to travel around the world. I'm right now in Germany. This is actually my kid's bedroom. Normally I live in Dubai, where I have a pool, I have a sauna, I have an amazing view towards the Burj Khalifa. I don't want to brag, I just want to tell you what happened in my life, because I was already in Dubai, but I need to fly back towards Germany and live on the couch of my mom's apartment just because I didn't figure out this YouTube agency, literally, period. Then I figured it out and I could move back towards Dubai because I made good money. So I hope you found value in this video, and when yes, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.